Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial guides you through managing users and setting permissions in Trueaiwork. You will learn how to add users and customize their roles effectively. Click the Users section to access user management features. Click Add User to proceed with adding the new user. Click the Email Address field again to enter the user's email. Enter your email address to identify the new user. Select the employee role to assign appropriate permissions. Click here to access additional user settings. Click Send Invitation to invite the user to the platform. Click Permissions to manage user access rights. Click Custom Roles to configure specific role settings. Click Default Roles to review predefined permission sets. You have successfully added a user and configured their permissions in Trueaiwork. Next, explore managing user groups or adjusting role settings for advanced control.